This 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD flatbed is brought to you by Steve at JW Truck Sales. For WD Crew Cab 171.5 end quote, WD 5906 end quote, CAWT for WD Light Duty Chassis Cab Trucks Mechanical Rear Axle, 4.10 ratio, requires, L96, Vortex 60L V8 SFI engine or, LC8, 60L V8 SFI gaseous CNG/LPG capable engine. Air cleaner, high capacity transfer case, with floor mounted shifter, included with 4WD models only. Cooling, external engine oil cooler cooling, auxiliary external transmission oil cooler battery, heavy duty 720 cold cranking amps/80 amp HR, maintenance free with rundown protection and retained accessory power alternator, 150 amps body, chassis cab frame, fully boxed, hydroformed front section GVWR, 13,200 pounds, 5988 kilograms, suspension package, standard includes 5 1mm twin tube shock absorber